Hello and welcome to my channel Malavika's Magic. Today I bring for you the advanced version of the game The Mysterious House. So here I am going to click on this question mark again in order to find out. For those of you who haven't watched my previous video on the Mysterious House, so I want to show you how we need to play the game. So first we need to find out what is the objective of the game. The objective is we have to save the person who is stuck inside the house. So I click here. I go back to this game. You can see this house over here, which is locked and the keys are outside. There are multiple keys. We need to find out the right key. So randomly we can select a key. So suppose I selected this key. What is 15% of 250? So suppose, I feel, the answer is A, and but this is the wrong answer. So I go back. So again, I click on the same key. And suppose, now of course I have no other option but to click on option B. And the answer is correct, but then it is showing it is the wrong key. So I click OK. And then I need to select another key, which will be the right one, which will open the lock. So randomly, if I select on this key, another question. A person with software skills gets a job in hardware firm on a temporary basis. His poor performance is a matter of concern. What should he do? What should the company do? Give him training in hardware, give him the termination letter, give him the support to look for a job elsewhere. Now, when this question is given to the students, it will appear to the students that all the options are correct. But then, like we have to train the students in trying to analyze the situation, and also we have to train them that they should get justification as to why we have selected a particular option. So if I select option A, with training in hardware, what is the justification? He is a software person. He is a person who has software skills. So if and he has got a job in a hardware firm, maybe he doesn't have a job, and therefore he must have given an interview and somehow he has got a job in the hardware firm. So if we give him training in hardware, still his performance may not be up to the mark. So in this way we should help train the students how to analyze the options. The second option, give him the termination letter. Now giving him the termination letter will be injustice. So the fact that the company has absorbed him in the particular organization after an interview, that itself indicates that the company might need a person. So they might have thought of giving training to the person and improve his performance, or make him adaptable to the organization. But as since they couldn't do it, so giving him the termination letter will be a very harsh, reaction, and this could be very deep, and this could be very rude on the part of the organization. So therefore, that is not the correct option. Now, give him the support to look for a job elsewhere. That is going to be very, kind on the part of the organization, and also very supportive and very empathetic on the part of the organization. So I feel that is the correct answer. In this way, we should help the learners figure out as to why they have selected a particular option. So if I select C now, let's see the lock opens. Okay, the lock is open. Very good. So now we need to click on the door. Now we move inside the house, but we find three other more doors. So therefore, we click randomly, but this is the wrong door. So again, we go back to the game. Now we know that this key is the right key. We click here, then we click option E, and now we again click on the door. We move inside, and now we are going to see if this door could be the right door. Uh, Yes, it is the right door, but then I can see three more keys, and again I can see a door with a lock. So I need to use one key to open the lock and move inside and find where the person is, stuck. So suppose if I randomly click here, okay, this is the wrong key. So I have to click OK. So here, we can add questions instead of just showing them that this is the wrong key. The teacher, while designing this game, can include a question over here. And while answering the question, even though the learners might have answered the question correctly, then the learners would still, if, the message would be indicated that this is a wrong key. So suppose if I click here, okay, there is a question. What will be the time in Ankara, Turkey? The time in Delhi, India is 2 p.m. Okay, so I believe it is 11:30 a.m. So I click answer. Okay, I move inside the house. There's another room. Now again, I have to find for clues. So I click here. There is no clue. So I click here. No clue. Here also, there is no clue. There is no clue. Suppose I click on this door. There is no clue. Let me find out if I can open the window. Okay, there is a question over here. Anil is very excited to shift to his new house. He offers prayers to the Lord Almighty and moves towards his new abode. But his life is made miserable by his tenant who resides on the top floor. Every night he puts on loud music that is very disturbing to Anil, as he prefers to go to bed early after a hard day's work. Repeated requests to stop the music has resulted in nothing. What should Anil do? Lodge a complaint at the nearby police station? Now, when again we have to train the learners that how they have to analyze each option. Lodge a complaint at the nearby police station. Again, it is going to result in enmity between Anil and his tenant. So instead of being an enemy towards someone, or being very harsh by lodging a complaint at the nearby police station, there could be other ways of how the matter could be solved. So ignore the habit of his tenant and enjoy the music. That is of course a wonderful way to do it. If person can do it this, that is a wonderful way. Practice meditation for his peace of mind. Well, it might be difficult for most people to practice meditation for his peace of mind. Okay, it is telling people to practice meditation and actually practicing meditation are two different things, because meditation requires a lot of concentration, and because the loud music, it may not be possible for Anil to concentrate. So therefore, that may not be the right option for Anil. The right option for Anil would be ignore the habit of his tenant and enjoy the music, and that is how he can go off to sleep. So if I click on option B over here, yes, I can see the person. He has got stuck over here and is seeking for help. So what I do is I click on him, and then I have successfully completed the game. So friends, I hope you have enjoyed this game, and I'm sure you'll be incorporating this game in your class, because this is the best way to engage the learners. And also, they are motivated even before, you don't need to put an extra effort to motivate the learners. They are self motivated and they want to be a part of the learning process. You can use the device itself, can be used as a means of teaching them or testing a skill. So that is the way how we should be able to engage the learners by introducing games. And this game has of course been created in PowerPoint animations, but there are certain aspects where a little bit of coding is also required, because when you put multiple questions, that time PowerPoint animations stops working properly, or rather it starts misbehaving. So therefore, if we use coding, then we do not have problem in inserting the questions, the multiple questions. One question is fine, but when you're inserting multiple questions, because there are multiple rooms that we are entering, so therefore we need to use a little bit of coding, but that is very easy, that is not very difficult. So if at all you are interested in using this game in your classroom, you can definitely put it in your comment box. Write your request in your comment box. I will help you to create this game, and I'll also tell you how you can use it for your learners, or how you can incorporate the questions, what kind of questions you can incorporate for your learners. Now, I would like to thank all of you for your patient listening. I hope you will subscribe to my channel, so for more notifications on games like this. Thank you once again.